The Massey Ferguson GC1700 series tractors, equipped with a front loader, is a powerful combination to have at your disposal. It can tackle almost any job thrown at it. Because of the few times you may need to operate the tractor without the front loader, this video will show you how to remove and install the DL95 loader on the Massey Ferguson GC1700 series tractors. First, park the tractor on a hard, level surface. Raise the loader and lower the two parking stands that are integrated into the loader frame. Lower the loader to the ground. Remove the mounting pins on both sides. Retract the loader lift cylinders. Use the bucket tilt function to raise the loader off the tractor subframe. Turn the tractor off and remove the key. Disconnect the hydraulic couplings. Be sure to install the dust caps. Fold the hydraulic hoses up and out of the way. Get back on the tractor and slowly back away. Now that the loader is removed, you can have more visibility and maneuver in tighter spaces while mowing, or be able to operate front-mounted implements. Slowly drive into the loader frame, aligning it with the tractor subframe. Set the park brake, turn the tractor off, and remove the key. Connect the color-coded hydraulic hoses. Get back on the tractor and slowly tilt the bucket down to lower the loader onto the tractor subframe. Extend the loader lift cylinders to line up with the mounting holes. Install the mounting pins on both sides. Raise the loader and fold the two parking stands. You're now all set. Massey Ferguson GC1700 series tractors are one of the most versatile compact tractors on the market. Coupled with the DL95 loader, these tractors are ready to do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to.